What is up, guys, and welcome back. So as you can see, we have our beautiful hood painted. It's looking extremely reflective. Same with our sunroof. Yes, I know, for everybody that doesn't know, these are not glass, they are metal. We have obviously all of our body panels painted. Everything is pretty much done there. All we have to do now is, excuse the sound for one moment. Just turn that off really fast for you. Now what we got to do is just paint this bad boy right here. We're going to be painting both of the sides of the car, getting this done. Obviously, I don't record this process because I don't want to get all the little flake and all the little dust all over my camera screen. So, this is the last time you guys are going to be seeing the car like this, because right after this, the car is going to look like this. As you guys can see, we have it all painted up, and this sucker is looking fresh. I am so happy with it. Honestly, I couldn't be any happier. I did find out a few imperfections, though, and I am going to go ahead and point those out with you guys, because obviously I am far from perfect. The paint job is far from perfect, but the car is amazing. And by the way, this will be a daily driver. I'm going to stop daily driving the Pandem, and I'm going to start daily driving this everywhere, every single day. So all the little imperfections, honestly, they don't bug me too bad. Here, I am going to point out the things that do bug me. Unfortunately, my passenger rear door has a bunch of little dings and dents in it. The whole side of the car has none, but the passenger rear door has like 8 little dents. I have no idea where they came from, so that's a little annoying, if I'm being 100% honest. I thought this car was fairly straight. And then on my driver's side, I'm going to try to pop these ones out. I have 2 more dents. Look at that big one right there. And then I have a little one right there. But yeah, other than that, guys, it is officially painted. We have all of our parts completed. We have all of our parts done. They look good enough for me, in my opinion. What do you guys think, though? I'd like to know what you guys think. How do you guys think the paint came out for a guy in his garage in the middle of the desert? I mean, seriously, look at this. Look at this. Would you look at that? Just kidding. But no, seriously, I am very happy with it. I couldn't be happier. I mean, of course, it could have came out better. It could have came out perfect. But at the same time, I'm far from perfect, and this is going to be a daily driver. So it is going to get, obviously, nicked and scratched and rock chips and stuff here and there. And, of course, I would love to have a perfect garage queen, perfect show car. But realistically, I mean, if it was like that, I probably wouldn't want to drive the car. And the whole reason I built this car is to obviously enjoy it, to drive it, to take it out and just have fun with it. So, yeah, it's not going to be perfect, but it is definitely good enough for me. And I really hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do. At least seeing it is what I mean. You're not going to enjoy it, but you guys will enjoy, I think, looking at it as much as I do. I mean, it is a beautiful car. And then one thing that actually had me a little confused is obviously we are extremely reflective. We have no paint runs or paint drips anywhere, but this panel, for some reason, is extremely freaking wavy. Look at this. Let me see if I can, oh, there you can kind of see in the light. It looks like there's a huge paint run right here, right? But when you get close to it, oh, come on, camera focus. Yeah, there is like no paint runs. There's no paint drips or anything. So I am a little bit confused. And it only did that right there in that one spot. The whole entire car looks good. There's nothing like that. So I wonder if the metal or something right there was kind of bent or warped, or honestly, I don't really know. I'm going to try to wet sand that. I am going to wet sand the whole entire car with like 2020 2,500, 3,000, and then I'll try to polish and buff it. Cross my fingers I don't mess it up. If I do, I do have a tiny bit of paint left. But other than that, guys, it's ready to go. Look at that. The reflection is just insane. Definitely doesn't look bad. But, again, I appreciate you guys watching, tuning in, watching all these little projects get done and stuff. I greatly appreciate you guys. The next time you guys see this thing, it will be 100% put together. I am going to let the paint dry for probably another day or two before I start putting everything on and throwing on the hood. I have had a bunch of people, by the way, ask me about my hood. My brother actually custom made the hood himself, and then he did all the metal work and everything. It came out really freaking nice. My brother is a great body guy. He is a great welder, fabricator. So I would have never trusted anybody to do this, especially to my hood, except him. And this thing came out flawless. This actually came out better than I could have ever expected. But yes, it isn't just a part you could just bolt in. My brother actually cut my hood and fabricated all that. But other than that, guys, again, thank you so much. Please go ahead and post down in the comments what you guys think of the car and what you guys think of the paint so far. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, and we will definitely see you guys in the next video.